more pandas. Hey, look, transition. Good morning. It is Saturday, it's 6:30 in the morning, and we're trying to go to the pandas before the rush of people. So it is November, we're not expecting too many people, but we were told to go early in the morning because A, the pandas are awake and it's less busy. So they open up at 7:30 and we've already bought tickets. I think tickets were about 50 yuan per person. And they say it takes about 3 to 4 hours to get through it all. So we're really excited. We're gonna take the metro there. Let it go. Yay! Chengdu. And one thing I want to know about the metro stations in China is that they have these glass doors and they open when the train comes and close when the train leaves. I think they're brilliant because they stop people from jumping or falling onto the tracks. To the Panda Center and we got here at 7:30. There was a massive lineup. There's lots of room and it's never too busy over here. We're really excited to go see some pandas, so I'll show you. It's really cold here.
It's dark.
And it's dark. They say to come at 7:30 because the pandas are all out and they feed the babies. So we're really excited to see that.
When you watch a horror movie, this is what it looks like in the sky.
So we're gonna try and find some red pandas. There's a lot of tour groups right now, so we're just trying to get out of that area. So a little guy just came up and gave them fruit and he hung it on the tree. And now they've all come to swarm the fruit. There's some in the trees coming down. There's two little guys here. They're like, I'm ready. Breakfast. Yeah, they're funny little creatures. They're like foxes almost. Big squirrels.
Oh, look at this guy right below us. He's big boy, eh? The size of him. Tail is beautiful.
He's like, I'm ready for food.
How many do you think are under this deck? They just keep popping in. Oh, look at the kids' faces.
He's making his way over quite slowly. It's gonna be all gone, bud, by the time you get here. So I think that's the first time that we've ever seen a panda, and oh, there's more pandas. Oh no, one of them fell. And the audience is shook. How great was that fall? You didn't see?
It's dangerous
They're
business.
so cute. They're playing. They're like, wrestle with me. Okay, let's go look for more pandas. So they have these little signs that tell you about the pandas, and it says it in English, Chinese, and Korean. Definitely worth coming in the morning because they're so energetic and they play and they eat. They're really fun. Everyone's watching quietly. It's really nice to see. I didn't know they had tails. Did you know they had tails? I don't know. Xiang Bing is the last child of the heron Bing Bing at the advanced age of 21. Curious since childhood, loving to roam free in the den and climb along the railings. What's Xiang Bing again? Isn't that refrigerator?
Bing Xiang.
Oh, Bing Xiang Bing Bing Xiang. Bing Xiang, we're both learning Mandarin, is a refrigerator. So I was like, what? His name is Refrigerator?
The refrigerator? You remember him?
I know,
I can't remember his name.
but they should call him Refrigerator because it's cute, actually. It means he probably eats a lot. What do you think Xiang Bing means?
Raider Refridge? Raider Refridge, is that right? Refridge? A Raider Refridge. Oh, man.
Do pandas drink coffee? Because we're in search for coffee.
Panda enclosure? Oh, it's that way. That was giant, that wasn't that big.
Ben is disappointed with the size of the pandas.
Size does
He
matter.
thought they were like King Kong size.
Oh, they're pretty big, aren't they?
They're the size of a bear, I think,
That
right?
was not the size of a bear.
Yeah.
That was pretty small.
Maybe they're adolescent. No, because no, they're mothers, remember?
Oh, yeah. Alright, giant panda's that way. Let's go check it out.
They're not actually giant though.
I bet you they're pretty big. No photo.
Hey, look. Transition.
Oh.
Things are falling.
Is that as big as it?
Oh, excuse you, bud. Look at them munching.
Chubby.
Oh, he's so clean. That's so funny. He must have just had a bath. Wow. So we've been here for maybe an hour and we've seen red pandas and giant pandas and baby giant pandas.
Baby giant pandas.
I know, baby giant pandas. So they're all really cute and it's great to come so early. And we've got here, and when you get in, it's a mob scene. Everyone's running around and there's tour groups and such. But now there's not a soul here, and we actually got to see people feed the pandas.
You are the same size.
A red panda is 60 centimeters. I'm not 60 centimeters.
I don't know. Looks like it.
Okay, so in the 24 hours that we're going to be in Chengdu, we got off the train at 11 o'clock last night. We got into our hotel at 12, and we've now seen the pandas at 7:30 a.m. It is 10 after 9, and we're probably going to make our way to the exit because we've seen the red pandas, the babies, and the giant pandas, and feeding time. And then we are going to head towards the middle of the city and try to go to see some parks or temples. And then tonight we're actually gonna do a spicy Sichuan hot pot. Coffee? Shongmao Cafe.
Don't even about it.
So we took a taxi from the Panda Sanctuary